Okie dokie. In this video, I'm going to be adding a contact form to a Gatsby site with Kwes Forms. Kwes Forms was brought to my attention the other day by my good friend James Q Quick over on Twitter. So I decided to try it out, and I was blown away with the whole experience. And that's what this video is for. So let's just go ahead and walk through that process and how straightforward it is. So Quest Forms, I'm just getting stuck into it, but there's great documentation and a great setup flow here. So I'm just going to sign in with my account details and then create a website here on the dashboard. That's going to be scottspencer.com. I'm going to add that. And we want a contact form. I'm going to add that. And now we get step through the process. So you want to add this script to the head of your project. And because I'm in Gatsby, can add that to Gatsby browser. But I have like a root wrapper component, which reps both SSR and Gatsby browser. I've done a video on that for adding smooth scroll with Gatsby and MDX. I'll link that in the description. But I need that for helmet. So this is going to add it very high up in the component tree. And I'm just going to put in that script in here. So it's copy pasta. That in there, hit save. That's saved. And then spin up a dev server. So I'm just going to do yarn dev. So that's just an alias. That's just yarn install dependencies and yarn develop. I've got an alias in my fish shell. And going to want to add in a new page in Gatsby. Just add it into the pages, and then Reach Router will add in the routes for you. So it's going to be a new file, and it's going to be contact.js. And this is going to be a React page component. So import React and export default. And so flat arrow, and it's curly braces, and then we want to return the form, which is on here. So my dev server has spun up here. Opened up my local host. I'm going to check the head. Open that. There we go. I'm going to look for a script for Quest. Here it is. So I'll be able to access that. And I want to get the form for here. So that's bright. I've copied that. So there's the form. We want to add the class to it. And then this is the action, which is linking to this setup here. And then this is adding in some additional details as well. Just copy paste all of this into here. And this input doesn't have a closing tag. Save. Wait for Prettier to do its thing. Right, and let's check my site over here. And it was a /contact. And I will have a super rough form because there's no styling being applied to this yet. But this is just to check it. So let's add in my name. Hit submit. So we've just got a bit of an information here. Almost there. Send your first submission. So let's just do that. Cool. And just set this as a testing domain. And then we go back to the form. Cool. So it doesn't do that each time. So let's just do this again. And I'll just submit it that time for us. Awesome. So let's go back to the dashboard, and it's congratulating me. Let's view the submissions again. And here are the two submissions, which I can take a look at for the contact form. That is brilliant. So let's just put in a bit more information, which I think, where did I pick it out? here, form validation rules. So you can do in like length, and I want one for email. Here we go. So rules, required, email, input type, email. Let's just copy that into my form here. Hit save. Cool. And then we'll also put this required on the name input here. Hit save. Get rid of that. And check on localhost again. Cool. Let's just try it. Validation. Great. And let's try it with that one. Super duper. Hit submit. And we should be able to check contact form here. That's our third submission. That is just amazing. I am sort of blown away with this. So now we've got it in dev. Let's try to push up one to production. So I'm just going to go I use Vercel for my hosting. So VC is just the Vercel command line just to run a build on what is currently in your project there. So that's going to go up to Vercel here, and we can watch this build, but it takes 3 minutes. So we're not going to do that. I'm just going to need to fill the time with me talking about the other stuff which Kwes has to offer. So let's just take a look at this validation again. Got really cool bits with advanced layout, form components, great stuff. I'm super impressed with this, but let's just go back to the validation again. So you can put in like min and max length, do regex. Fantastic. Super impressed with that. So what I want to do now is, once this has completed, which is another 2 minutes yet, I'm going to want to set it as a live domain. And again, I think I need to do that once it's built. I think you just need to do another submission, and it will ask you at the time, do you want to set this as a live domain? And I'll pick yes, and we'll see what happens there. But I'm going to have to find other stuff to talk about for 2 minutes while this is happening. So let's add in styling. I use style components here. That's what a wrapper, I guess. It's going to be a main component element, sorry, and display grid. Oops, not that. And I want like view height, min height. Oh, I better use it as well. So we'll wrap the form in the wrapper. Move that down there. Yep. See how that looks. No different. Why does it not look any different? Oh, it is. Yeah, I've got the footer moved down a bit. I'm going to do a bit of styling with this, but I won't be doing that on stream on this video. Let's just wait for these build outputs to finish uploading here, and we'll check the build and set it to a live domain, even though it's not, but I will be doing this pretty soon after finishing this video. So here we go, the test site. So this is like just a random ID assigned to it until I decide to put it into production. Let's go to the route we made and let's add in the details here. Scott, an email address, that, hit submit. And then Kwes asks us here if I want to add this as a live domain. I say yes. Back to my form. Let's do another submission. Not sure if this will be picked up as spam now because it's the same one twice. We'll see. Go back here. Refresh on my dashboard. Cool. And then you can even see what mode it's in as well. Excellent. So I'm blown away with this. Absolutely fantastic. I'm going to have lots of fun playing around with this. But I think for this video, that is it. So there you go. Adding a form to a Gatsby site in under 10 minutes. Fantastic. So that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye-bye.